Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. So basically when one of your song ends, Spotify automatically plays another song according to your listening history. That is basically what suggested song in Spotify means. So if you want to stop that, the first thing you can do is listen to song inside a playlist. So you can create yourself a playlist and inside that playlist put all the songs which you like and then listen to the music inside the playlist. And then it's not going to play any random song. It's only going to play song of your choice from inside the playlist. That is one thing you can do. The other thing you can do is play around in the setting. By that I mean you want to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen and click on where it says settings and privacy. From inside setting and privacy, click on playback. Inside playback, you want to scroll a bit down and where it says autoplay similar content, make sure it's off. If it is on, it's going to play suggested songs, but if it is off, it's not going to. So these are the two things you can do in order to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.